Alright guys, we're about to put a final sand belt on a Super Galaxy 2000. And the first thing you want to do is you want to take this upper assembly, the upper roller assembly off and clean it out back in there. You don't want a bunch of dust in there, which we've already done. So I'm not going to do that. But anyways, you just kind of work it out with your fingers like this, and you keep prising up on it till it comes out. But like I said, we've already cleaned that out. So I'm going to get it set back in place right there. And some people use a solid drum to where it doesn't have a split in it, but I'm kind of old school. I've always used a split drum. So with a split drum, you have to put a certain type of wedge in, and every machine's a little different. Every drum's a little different. It depends on how they set it up from the factory or if you've had it reworked. So now we're just going to slide the belt on. This is an 80 grit belt, which you can final sand with 80, 100, or whatever you want. Just slide it on like that. And then over here with your lever, bring the lever down. That puts tension on the belt. And then I kind of roll mine around just to make sure it's going to track right, which it's not going to right there. So I'll take my Allen wrench, and over here, there's a set screw over here. And I'll turn it and I'll reset everything. It's still wanting to track this way too much. Slow it down some. That should track pretty good right there. Get it pretty close. And we're going to turn it on. Make sure you keep your hands and fingers away from this. Otherwise, you're going to get eat up. And right there, it was running pretty even, so we're done. So now it's ready to final sand.